Hello guys, this is just a quick little video on how to install 2 servos into your Arrma Kraton 6S or Outcast, all of the 6S models really. So you have your original one sitting right like this. So what I do to start off is take the receiver and then just remove it. There's a little plastic piece under the receiver that connects to the battery tray. Remove that too. So everything there is pretty much gone that was a part of the receiver. Okay, and then you drill 4 holes into your chassis, okay, and then you just screw it down nice and neatly like so. And then right after that, I'll show you what the next part is. I just removed the nose, so I can't show you that next part without putting that back on, but that's pretty much it. I wired it in a Y harness and then just plugged it into the steering out port, so then you can run it on a transmitter that you can't just tie 2 into very well, or like the stock one or whatever. So that works, and it'll be a minute for me, but less than a second for you. I'll move on and you'll see the next stage. Alright, here's the next step, guys. So you can see in there I got another one of the opposite side over there. So it's the same thing, I just reversed it around so it fit in right here. Fits perfectly after you drill your holes and everything. But the only thing you have to do is you have to just take your Dremel or whatever you use and just shave that little edge off right there. Let's see if I can get you a better view from the bottom too. See right there? I shaved it off a little bit, just enough so that when the steering turns, it fits right in there nicely, and it can turn all the way over. You might have to put it in, take it apart, test it a few times, but it works great. And I blew one of these like first run out with the Kraton. Literally like first run, wasn't even videoing it, it just blew up. And then, so I did it again, had the same exact thing happen. I thought it was just unlucky the first time. So then I got this crazy idea because I'd seen people flip and put their servo on this side instead of that side. But I was like, why can't I just put 2 in? So if you put 2 in and set the trim all right, you can get it just right so that it works perfectly. So I'll move you up to the next stage right now. Alright guys, for this stage, you have to make sure your remote is on. You can see my little light there. By the way, this is a stock remote. And then you go and plug in your vehicle. Sometimes I just like to do this without any batteries or motor plugged in. Just make sure you don't do anything. I don't have wheels on it right now because I blew them up. I didn't get that on video, so sorry about that, guys. So now I'm going to turn on my car. So making sure all the steering servos are straightened out nicely. And now, I'm just going to have to move you guys a little bit so I can straighten out the wheels here, or what knobs are here pretty much. Straightening out the wheels. And then you can put your little servo horn on your servo. Just got to get this guy on, and then this guy on too. They fit nicely on there, and then you take and you screw them down, and then you do the same with the other one. And just like that, you now have steering. It's actually so strong. Use both steering servos are connected. I just love the look of this. That's just so satisfying. And then so I put my receiver box right here. I just have it zip tied on for now. I've actually had it like that for like a month or so now, and it's been perfectly fine. The chassis brace slides right underneath this really nicely. All's looking good. I also got this front bumper and an EXB body that will get out soon. I also got this nice limitless body. I'm going clear, like Brad Schiffman and every professional speedrunner. Other than, I forget his name. There's one YouTuber that always paints them orange with like black specks on it or something. Philip Jolie or something like that. I think that's his name, something like that. Yeah, so I gotta finish putting this car back together, get some wheels. Might be a week or so till you see this car. I'm trying to get this car out for one last push before it starts to snow. But other than that, we don't got much. I just got this nice big vise, really nice and helpful. Please buy one of those chassis braces. They're definitely worth it. I have yet to break one. Kevin Talbot, if you're watching this, I'm sending you one. I haven't gotten out to it yet, but I'll get it to you soon. Please, if you don't mind, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll have videos like this. I'll try to get... I'm sending Kevin Talbot one of those braces right now to see if he can actually break it. And if he can, I'd be very impressed. I, personally, can't break them, so really like to see if he can. I sent one to one of the hardest bashers at my hobby store. And he hasn't gotten back to me yet because he's building his Mojave. And he said he didn't know if he could break it because it felt so much stronger than the stock one. So yeah, guys, please stay tuned. If you're interested, comment down below if I should make a video on how to install a brace on a Typhoon, because I will do that if you ask. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow.